Can you believe that you can actually make money just from copying and pasting pictures that you find online? No need to be a professional photographer. No need for special expensive camera. And especially, no experience is necessary to make money online. Hello, and welcome to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. So, what we are going to learn today is a simple task that anyone can do from their home. All you will need is a computer, and suddenly you can make an extra bit of income on the side without even leaving your house. There is no limit to this, so you can keep making money more and more every day. All right, so I will be giving you a step by step instruction to demonstrate exactly how to do this. So keep watching and enjoy all the extra cash you will be making shortly. So you might be wondering, how in the world will you make money from images if you don't even have a camera or any photography skills? Well, you're in luck because there are zero skills required today. There is a website that literally pays you to copy and paste images you find online. And I am going to show you all of the secrets I have found to make money from this. I mean, hundreds of dollars by using pictures you find online. To get started, you are going to want to go over to the website called Crello.com. Crello.com is a free graphic design online software that will give you thousands of free templates that can be used to create designs. This is free and there are no memberships, so you will have full access to all of the designs and templates. You can use these templates to design basically anything you can ever think of: posters, stories, anything that you might need for any social media platform. But don't you worry, you will not need any design experience or trained skills because the designs are literally done for you. With this website, all of your designs will look like a professional created them, but really, all you will be doing is inputting your own thing into pre-made layouts. To begin, you will need to create an account with Crello. All you need to do is click sign up and follow the instructions listed for you. You can sign up with your email, but you can also sign up with Facebook or Apple account, which might be a bit easier. Either way, once your account is made, then you will be able to start creating. All right, so you will need to select the picture you would like to start your own design with, and you can go through and browse what you would like it for. You can add words, a different template, or multiple pictures, customizing it to your desires, such as text, size, color, bold, or animated. Whatever sparks your interest. You can also upload your own pictures as well. You can create logos, Instagram stories, website layouts. Just browse through the templates to get some creative juice flowing. Once you are satisfied with your designs, you will want to download it onto your computer. To do this, you will want to click on the download button on the top right corner of the Crello website. It is that easy. You can create and download as many designs as you want using these free images. And once you are done, you have your designs and they will surely look like a professionally trained individual made them. What you will want to do after you have saved your designs is to go to the website 99designs.com. It is a website created to bring together professional designs by graphic designers and clients from all different countries to trade or sell. There are lots of clients looking to have their designs and ideas created into actual creative designs. When you go to this website, you will see that it already has people eager to buy and sell different designs. So your first step is that you want to sign up for an account as a designer. It is a very simple process to get your account up and running. A special trick is that if you scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you will see different menu options. And if you click on that one that says contest, you will see designs and all different contests that are going on for designs. And that way, you will find that people are literally paying hundreds of dollars for this. $100 to $300 for logos. So if you really get good at this skill in practice, you really have an opportunity to earn more than just a little bit of spare cash. Once you have an account with 99designs.com, you can enter those contests and they will pay you for your designs. All you have to do is to choose a contest that appeals to you, then read the description and get a clear picture of what the client wants. Usually, the client will give examples of what they are looking for. And it is always a good thing to really try to mimic it, but add your own twist to it so it can really stand out. Once you have an idea of what the client wants, you can go back to the Crello website and start creating. Make sure to customize it in a way that you think the client will like. Fill it with the company details and other information that the client would like to add. As soon as it suits to your own liking, then you are able to download your image and submit it to the client at 99designs.com. This is a contest, so the client will be able to select whichever submission they like best. So it is not a guarantee, but if you win the contest, you will be rewarded accordingly. Also, if you win, you will get hundreds of dollars for just a small amount of design work. The more contests you submit, the more chances you have to win lots of contests. All right, you guys, that is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest ways to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first to know. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.